Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to insert SIM SD card into this laptop. So in fact this laptop doesn't have an SD card slot, but it does have a micro SD card slot. So if you have your SD card, remove micro SD from it, and then this way put it into the micro SD card slot on the right edge of your laptop. Slightly press it until it clicks, and then let's see if the laptop recognizes it. Let me and as you can see, in the file explorer we can find our SD card, or micro SD card, and here it is. Now to remove it, slightly press it once again to make it pull out of there, and then just grab it and remove it. And that's how you insert micro SD card into your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.